Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today we are making something that's so quick and it's probably one of the best snacks in the world, and it's homemade potato chips in a microwave. It doesn't get any simpler than that, and it's really yummy. Okay, so what you're going to need is 2 small to medium-sized potatoes, salt and pepper to taste. You can just put salt if you don't like the pepper, and then 2 teaspoons of olive oil, so essentially a teaspoon of oil per potato. And this should serve about 2 people, at least me and Flavia in this case, but if you're really hungry, you'll feed 1. Okay, so what we're going to do is, first of all, wash your potatoes. You can peel the skin off if you want to, but I'm not going to. You're going to chop the potatoes into thin discs, and I'm going to be doing mine with my potato cutter. You can do it with a knife, this just makes it a bit more even. And it has 2 functions, either thick or you turn around thin. I prefer mine a bit thicker, but if you like yours thin, it's up to you. Okay, so I'm going to do my thick ones first. So just get your potato and then slice it until it's all cut up. Okay, so I've just done my thick ones, and now I'm going to turn my cutter over to the thin one and then do my other potato. Okay, so the difference between my thick ones and thin ones is very obvious. If you cut it with a knife, you can make it exactly to how you want. But this one's probably about ½ a centimeter thick, and this one's close to about 2 millimeters. It's very papery. So we're going to put the thick potatoes into some cold water to let all the starch get off the surface of the potato. Okay, then you just want to get some paper towel, and we're going to put the potatoes on it and then pat them dry. So now what we're going to do is put the thick potato chips into a plastic bag, and then put a teaspoon of olive oil, and then about ½ a teaspoon of salt and a ¼ teaspoon of pepper. The pepper's optional. Before adding the salt, just give the bag a shake so that all of the olive oil coats the potatoes evenly. Now close the bag, leave a bit of air in there, and then give it a really big shake. Okay, now we're going to put the potatoes on some paper towel on a plate, and then put it in the microwave on high for about 3 to 5 minutes until it starts to brown. Then we turn it over on the other side for another 3 to 5 minutes. At this point you can add a little bit more salt if you want to. I'm going to. Okay, so this was about 6 minutes in on one side. See the slight browning on these chips? That's the point at which you turn them over. They still should be a little bit floppy at this point. Then put them back into the microwave for another 3 to 5 minutes until they're all nice and brown. Feel free to move the chips around to make them cook even. So they were in for another 2.5 minutes. What we're going to do, we're going to put them on a wire rack while we do the other batch. Okay, so now while those potato chips are drying out, we're going to do the same with the really thin ones, but they're only going to take about 2 to 3 minutes in the microwave. Just watch them because they'll burn quite easily because they're really thin. Okay guys, so that's how you make microwave potato chips 2 ways. Slightly thicker and then more like the when you buy in a store, really thin. These are like paper thin, they're amazing. And yeah, so they're really quick, really easy, and yeah, let's eat.
Oh, that was a good one.
I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I like the thin ones. Okay, I totally lied. These can totally feed just one person on their own. Oh my god.
Yeah, no problem. I feel like we're in those crisp ads where they're like, yeah.
Ow.
Oh, did you bite your cheek? Oh, I hate doing that. It's the worst.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If there's anything you want me to cook for you next time, just comment in the section below. And I'll see you next time. Bye!